start by taking and lining up the hem stitching with one of the inch marks, 7 here. And with this cutting mat, I'll only be able to do part of the process at a time. So then I'll line up my straight edge at 3/4 of an inch from that hem stitching. I can straighten out the fringe and ensure that each part is lined up well with the hem stitching line. I go over it a couple of times to ensure that it is cut. Then I use my rotary cutter to cut the first part. And then take the fringe out of the way and go ahead with the next half. I'll keep doing that same process over and over for each of the parts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more techniques and tutorials. Happy weaving!